Hello, room 14. Welcome to day 6. Today's assignment, you're going to do your benchmark reading, pages 12 and 13, underlining the who, what, where, when, why, and how, and then putting them together to make your main idea, and write your main idea on the side of the page. Math today, you're going to do page 374. Going to do the word problems the way we did them yesterday, which I'll go over again in a minute. When you're solving the word problems, don't forget to draw a picture of what's happening so you know what to do. Draw a model and then use the model to solve the problem. Number 18, there are 247 red cars. There are 438 black cars. How many red and black cars in all? Number 19, Mr. Archer picked 416 apples last month. He picked 336 apples this month. How many apples did he pick in all? Number 20, the park ranger counted 105 black bears last year. This year, he counted 128 black bears. How many black bears did he count in all? And then on the last one here, explain how to regroup ones to make a 10 when adding 3-digit numbers, which is what we've been doing. Also, don't forget, do Dreambox, Amplify, Read, Go Noodle, Code.org, all for 20 minutes each. And yesterday, Candy, hello Candy, asked about writing. She wanted to know what to write about. It's pretty much up to you guys. There's 3 writings that we've been doing all year. One is writing an opinion. So tell me what you think about something and then tell your reasons why. So you could pick anything you want to talk about. Another writing we did was writing a story. You can either write a story about what's been happening with you, about something you did, about something somebody else did, or you can make up something. Anything you want. And the third one, we can write about something that you know about. So tell us what it is that you want to write about, and then tell us about it. So just, one thing a day, 20 minutes about writing time. Okay, so for yesterday's math, number 5, we had 411, and we were adding 379. We did it with our place value chart, where we wrote down how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones we had. For those of you who needed to, you use the yellow or something light and light with your pencil. We had 411, and so that was 4 hundreds, 1 10, and 1 1. And we were adding, so we're going to put some more, 379, which was 3 hundreds, 7 tens, and 9 ones. Then we went ahead and added these together. So we had 9 ones and 1 more 1, which made 10 ones. And when we have 10 ones, remember, we add them together, turn them into another 10. After we do that, I don't have any ones left over, so there are 0 ones. Then we move on to our tens. We had 1, we added 7, and we just made a 10. Sorry, we're doing tens. Don't know if I said that. So we had 1 10, we added 7 tens, and we have 1 more 10. So 1 and 7 is 8, and then 1 more would be 9. We don't have enough to regroup, so we have 9 tens. Then we move on to our hundreds. We had 4, and we added 3. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 tens. So when we add these together, we have 700 9, 10, 0, 790. Okay. We number 6, 236 plus 518. So by counting how many hundreds, tens, and ones we have, adding them together, we had 236 to begin with. So we had 2 hundreds, we had 3 tens, and we had 6 ones. That's what we start with. And what are we doing to it? We're going to add 5 more hundreds, 1 more 10, and 8 more ones. So 5 hundreds, 1 10, 8 ones. So we start with the ones. We had 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And when we count to the 10 ones, we stop and circle them because we could take those 10 ones, put them together, regroup, and make one more 10. And that would leave us with 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Okay, then we move on to the tens. We have 3 and we added 1. That gave us 4, and 1 more gave us 5. 5 tens. 2 hundreds, 3 hundreds, 4 hundreds, 5 hundreds, 6 hundreds, 7 hundreds. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 hundreds. So 236 plus 500, 110, 8. Gave us 700, 510, 4. 700, 510, 4. 754. So the 6 tens plus the 8 tens gave us 14 tens, which made a 10 and left us with 4. So that's how we did regrouping with turning ones into tens. So do that with the word problems, and tomorrow we'll go over those answers, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.